In tomatoes, size, shape, and color can vary wildly. That's what makes genetics so interesting to me. A wild-type tomato can be small, almost perfectly round, and bright red. The traits of a wild-type tomato tend to be dominant to the oval shape of the grape tomato, or the size and color of the Cherokee purple. I monitored and took care of my tomato plants, so I was always able to tell them apart. Even in the F1 generation, there was some variation. Plant 1 produced slightly egg-shaped, medium-small tomatoes with an almost matte-looking finish, and Plant 2 produced perfectly round, small, shiny tomatoes. I have excuses for their variation. Plant 1 was grown in good dirt, while Plant 2 was grown in sandy soil. The grape tomatoes themselves were not perfectly consistent either. Even though the tomato plant leaves look about the same to you, I notice subtle details, which my brain magnifies. The Cherokee purple tends to set disorganized tufts of large deformed flowers. It's unusual and tends to be the case with many large heirloom varieties. In general, the mother tomato, or the grape tomato, can be described as small, ovate, red-fleshed, yellow-skinned, indeterminate, and sweet like candy. The father tomato, or the Cherokee purple, is mostly round, large, red-fleshed, clear-skinned, indeterminate, and very tomatoey in flavor. Their offspring, the hybrid, is mostly round, medium-small, red-fleshed, yellow-skinned, indeterminate, and very sweet and tangy. Next year I'll get to see how much the F2 generation tomatoes vary.